Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the Hi There screen, I guess. And all you need to do on this page is select your desired language. From there, click on Start to begin the setup. This takes you to please agree to the following to start using your tablet. So obviously we need to agree to the user experience programs. For some reason we need to agree to that, and the license agreement, or end user license agreement probably would be the full name of this. Oh, actually, never mind. I spoke too soon. The user experience programs aren't necessary, even though it doesn't really state anywhere, or doesn't say that it's optional. So anyway, let's stop and continue, and next. And this will take us to the Wi-Fi connection page. So here you can connect to Wi-Fi if you have one near you that you can connect to. If you don't, you can simply skip this and do that later on after the setup is complete through settings, which is what I'm gonna do. Now by skipping Wi-Fi, we also won't have our date and time set automatically. So if it's incorrect, you can fix it up. If it's correct, then just disregard this page and go to the next page. Next, we have the user or Google services. So we have user location, allow scanning, and also sending user and diagnostic data. And you can tap on this arrow right here on each one of them to expand the explanation of what it exactly does. And if you don't like it at the end of the day, you can disable those, as you can see. And from there, scroll all the way down and select accept. And now we have some protection that we can set to our device. So if you want to protect your device, go right ahead, set up some kind of screen lock, PIN, pattern, password, face recognition, fingerprint, whatever you want. Or if you don't really feel like bothering, you can just set it not now and skip anyway. And this would basically finish up the setup. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.